here we have some clippers I've had for probably 30 years or so. So you take the thing apart, there's 2 screws right in the back right there. This is a Wahl Precision USA. Very good machine. These things are tougher than nails. Very good motor. They typically, where the cord articulates, tend to wear out. And I cut this cord back, which is quite long. As you can see, the newer one, it was very long, but that's where it gave out, was right here. So I soldered it, and then I put some heat shrink tubing over that. Well, right where heat shrink tubing existed, or ended, that's where it wore out again, just from use of the cord or the machine. And using the machine back and forth wore it out, and it sparked and exploded in a gusto of flame. And so to replace these, quite simple. You take the 2 screws out, and there's really just 2 points of replacement. And one here, which is this end, and one here, which is this end. So I just bought a replacement cord. If you're looking for replacing something cheaply, then that's the way it goes. It's $20 for a cord. This is 2025. $23 on Amazon. I actually looked it up on ChatGPT for this make and model, which was right there. And it said, well, what you need is this kind of cord. So it was easy to look up, found it, and then it just came in within a couple days on Amazon, so it was great. Instruments that you need: a small Phillips head screwdriver. Phillips head is the head. This has the X on the tip, and then the flat head. So small Phillips. That's how these 2 screws are removed from the back side, right here and here. And this face just pops right off. This piece right here just pops out. Well, I'll pull that out towards the camera, essentially up. And this one is, again, the Phillips head screwdriver. You just undo that, and then you replace that again after you screw this one on and slide this into that slot receiver. This doesn't come out very easily. You can't just pull it out. Oh, that time I did, but sometimes it's locked in there. This little metal piece holds in that little slot, so sometimes you have to put like a tweezer tip inside the slot, and once that's depressed, then it's able to slide out. So that's why, if you can't get it out, it could be a flathead screwdriver or some tweezers. Next is a little screw, really on there, tight, but with a little elbow grease. I wonder where they got that term. All right, that comes out. Save that screw, because that screw is going to go back in. It goes right over that same hole. And then that screw goes right into place, just like that. Okay, and then this little piece you just depress into that area. Okay, well, here we have it. Let's undo the cord and test it. Yeah. Now we're gonna put this back plate or front plate, however you want to look at it. These 2 flanges slide right in place. The wires just get tucked in. Okay. This top part clips in first so you don't break the thing. So you can see how it clipped in, and then this just settles down after that. So again, a little clip up here. You can see it, a little black hook. Clips into that little receiver up top. And now we put these little 2 screws back in their place. Then with your Phillips head screwdriver, done, and done. It's pretty noisy. Gotta tighten this up. Oh, that did it. There we go. Tighten up the little handpiece that extends those little tines. Cool. There you have it. Happy fixing.